Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if you have an original iPhone battery. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you just got an iPhone, maybe you bought it on a third-party marketplace, maybe Facebook Marketplace, eBay, wherever, and you're making sure that it is an original Apple battery in there, the first and easiest thing to check is to open up the settings on that phone. We're going to scroll down and tap on General here, and then tap on About at the very top. Now you'll be able to see right under serial number, around that area, it should indicate if that battery has been replaced. It'll look something like this on this support article. So you can see this is an Apple support article, and if the battery has been replaced, it will say parts and service history, and it will say battery, but it is a genuine Apple part. So it's not the original battery on the phone. It has been replaced, but it's replaced by an Apple battery. However, if you see battery unknown part here, then essentially it is not a genuine Apple battery that it was replaced with. And it says it was replaced by a non-genuine battery, it was already used or installed on another iPhone, or it isn't functioning as expected. This is the easiest and most accurate way to tell if it is an original Apple battery, but another thing you can do is to hop into your settings. Let's go back here and tap on battery, and then battery health and charging. Now, at the very top, if you just got this phone and it's supposed to be a new phone, the max capacity should be 100%. If it's something lower than 100%, essentially it's been used and ultimately it has been replaced from the original one, or if it is a used iPhone and it says 100%, then ultimately that battery has been replaced. So the max capacity should coordinate with how old the phone is. Of course, it starts at 100% and then goes down and ends at around 88%, usually after a few years of using it. The last thing you can do is just get a charger and plug in your iPhone, charge it for about an hour or so, and check to see, does that battery increase? Does it get more charge? How quickly or how slowly does that drain over time after using it? And test to see if that battery life is kind of what is advertised or what Apple says that battery life should be for your specific phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.